So it is Thursday and I am just hanging out right now and it is thundering outside. It was like pouring 2 seconds ago and it just stopped. Weird. Currently attempting to bring all the yard sale stuff into one central location because, as you know, if you've seen my previous vlogs, there is stuff in my room, there's stuff in the attic, and stuff in the basement, so I'm going to try to bring everything to the first floor. I'm pretty much the Incredible Hulk, so there's that. Ugh. Oh. Almost dropped it. This is probably not my best idea. Hold on a second. How much you want to bet me my cat is outside this door? What did I say? You cannot come up. I'm filming myself. Hello, little friends. Where did it go? Is it on the bottom of your shoe? Oh, sorry. Alright, so Cassie and I have decided that we want to try to make these Poppin Cookin things. Looks like this. It's like a Japanese candy thingy. I don't really know. We tried to make the donuts a few months ago, and basically there's like different types you can make. Like I have there's a ice cream one, this is the hamburger, they have like sushi and donuts and all this different stuff. So I bought 3 and we decided we want to try to make this. I've heard that they taste really gross, but the french fries taste like McDonald's, so we'll see how this goes. So we have this girl named Erica Griffin. She's gonna help us out. Basically because all this writing is in Japanese or some crap, so we don't know how to read it. Ready, set, go. Now I'm gonna try to eat it. What should we start with, the fries?
Yeah.
Okay.
It tastes like a dry McDonald's French fry.
Without salt.
Mm-hmm. Want to add some salt?
You can if you want. Okay, take a sip and then I want to try a little, even though I don't like soda.
Mm-mm. Ew, it's so gross.
Should I do it?
Oh my god, that's so gross.
Well, I don't drink soda, so I don't know what it really tastes like. Another French fry? Oh, the French fries are not good.
I can't even bite into the burger. Okay. The bread is the worst.
The burger and the ketchup. Try it.
Yeah, it tastes like a burger.
It does. It does. Eat the whole thing.
It tastes like nothing.
Try this.
No.
Just a burger.
No, it's not.
Fine, then try the soda.
Do you want another French fry? No. No.
You actually like the fries?
Yeah. It smells like Pepsi.
Oh,
Drink
no.
it. Yes.
No, it's not. We drank it.
It tastes like it.
What does it taste like?
I don't know.
He just tried the ketchup.
Oh, it tastes gross.
Yeah. So, that was interesting. I also have this one. So if you liked watching that, let me know in the comments. Maybe we'll do this one another day. Now, Cassie and I are about to do something that we used to do like forever ago, maybe a couple years ago, and we used to be obsessed with it. So we decided to bring back the old days. Yep, we're gonna ripstick. If you've watched some of my old videos, if you've been watching my videos for a while, you will probably have seen this ripstick in quite a few videos. I hear a sound, but I don't know where it's coming from, and I think now it hears me, so it stopped. Probably a frog or something. Hello. My mom just came home with food. Yay. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Oh. Popsicles and a double eviction episode of Big Brother. Now those are two of my favorite things. Okay guys, I'm tired. I'm going to bed. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Hey guys, so it is about 1 in the afternoon and I'm babysitting from 2:30 to 6, so that's going to take a huge chunk out of my day. So hopefully I do something interesting. There's a giant bug outside the window.